Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix install error 0x800f081f in Windows 11 or 10. Here I am going to use Windows 10, but the process is similar for Windows 11 too. So first of all, what you can do is simply troubleshoot. In that case, what you have to do is open the settings. So click on the start icon that you can see at the taskbar. Over here, you'll be able to find the gear icon. This is the option for settings, so simply click on it. Now the settings will be opened. You'll be able to find several options over here. If you're using Windows 11, you'll have to click on the option system. If you're using Windows 10, simply click on the option update and security. Now you'll be led to the update and security interface. You'll be able to find several options related with update and security over here. What you have to do is find the option for troubleshoot and click on it. Now you'll be led to the troubleshoot interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find the option for additional troubleshooters. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the additional troubleshooters interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Find the option for Windows Update and click on it. Now over here, you'll be able to find the option for Run the Troubleshooter. Simply click on it. Now wait for a while. Your problem will be detected by the troubleshooter. If you have any problem, troubleshooter will identify the problem for you. The problem will be detected and the troubleshooter will troubleshoot the problem. You can simply close the troubleshooter. The next thing that you can do is simply restart the Windows update. For that, what you have to do is press Windows R on your keyboard. Now the run window will be opened up. Over here, what you have to do is type in services.msc. Click on the option OK. Now you can see over here, this kind of windows will open up. You'll be able to find several options over here. Find the option for Windows Update. You can see over here, Windows Update option is right over here. So simply right click on it. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Click on the option Restart. After that, Windows Update will be restarted and your problem might be solved. The next thing that you can do is simply enable the safe mode. For that, what you have to do is press Windows plus I on your keyboard. Now you can see over here the settings will be opened. Now in the interface for update and security, you'll be able to find the option for recovery. Simply click on it. Now you'll be led to the recovery interface. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. What you have to do is find the option for advanced startup. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for restart now. Simply click on it. After that, you'll be led to another windows. Over there, what you have to do is simply find the option for startup settings and click on it. In the next window, click on the option 4 in order to enable the safe mode. Now after that, the safe mode can be enabled. After your safe mode has been enabled, your problem can be solved. The next thing that you can do is simply reset this PC. Over here in the recovery interface, you'll be able to find the option for reset this PC. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for get started. So simply click on it. After that, you can simply follow through the prompts and reset this PC and your problem will be resolved. So these are the few things that you can do in order to hopefully solve your problem. So that is how you fix install error 0x800f081f in Windows 11 or 10. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.